In this section, we will cover the information and features of the Item View panel to help you manage the individual units of inventory for each profile. To get to the Item View panel from the dashboard menu, select a profile from the material list. Then, click on an item number in the New Unit section. The Item View panel is split into two sections. The top section displays the unit information, the CAM ID, the profile name and link, and a timestamp for the unit. The bottom section displays the current location of the unit and offers you the ability to delete the unit, edit the details of the unit, add jobs to the unit, or return to the Profile View panel. Let's start with the top section. Here, the item number is displayed. To better understand the difference between a profile and a unit, a profile is a description of a specific material in your account. Each material's profile includes its size, shade, type, cost, barcode or QR code, custom attributes, and alert settings. A unit relates to the quantity of inventory you have for each profile. The unique name given to each unit combines the barcode or QR code from the material with an internal numbering system, which starts from 0. In the item view, a unit number is called the item number. CAM ID is the serial number that connects a unit of material to your milling jobs. This ID is copied from Inventory Management and added to the detail section of your CAM job to automate updates for your CAD/CAM materials. We will cover adding CAM ID to your CAM software in depth during a later section in this training. The profile link serves here to remember the profile for the selected item. You can click on this link to return to the Profile View panel. The lot number is an identification number that assigns your CAD/CAM unit to a quantity or lot of material from one manufacturer. Lot numbers for materials can vary. The ability to track jobs by lot number will save you time should a manufacturer find a defect with their materials. If no lot number was entered when adding new material, there will be no number displayed here. You do have the ability to add a lot number by clicking the Edit button in this panel. Each time you add new inventory, a timestamp is created for the entry. The timestamp includes the date and time the unit was successfully entered into your account. The location information is displayed in the bottom section of the Item View panel. If you do not set a location for new inventory, the location information will not be viewable from this panel. If a location was selected at the time of entry, you can click on the link to view a list of other units at the same location. This feature is meant to shorten the time necessary to search for new or reusable materials in your milling center. If you want to return to the Profile View panel, you can click on the profile name in the top section or click the back button in the bottom section. If you entered too much material by accident, a unit of material can be deleted by clicking the Delete button. The Edit button allows you to set the location and enter a lot number for the material unit or item number. We will cover this functionality in the next video. Finally, if you do not have compatible CAM software, you can add completed jobs to an item. This process is started by clicking the Add Jobs button. We will cover how to add jobs manually during videos later in this section.